Welcome to an incredible amount of fun, an incredible amount of ideas, the most brilliant minds in the country all coming together. Welcome to White Hat Junior Swasth Bharat Tech Champs. And these are real champs. This is part of the Dettol Banega Swasth India program. My name is Rajiv Makni, and frankly, look, I'm going to just declare it. I am not the host of this show. I am a student on this show. I'm here to learn from the best minds possible, the brightest minds in the country, minds that are so sharp. They use the term woke. Involved, they're very aware of what we need and what this country needs. So leading global consumer health and hygiene company Reckitt collaborated with leading ed tech company White Hat Junior to launch a very, very unique program. I love what they've done. A program titled White Hat Junior Swasth Bharat Tech Champs. Like I said, this is part of the Dettol Banega Swasth India program on NDTV. The program was launched with the aim to inspire children in the entire country, age group of 6 to 18 years, to reimagine health and hygiene solutions for our country, for the world. The program hoped to drive children to participate in a cause that is in a dire need of attention, reinforcing the importance of sanitation and hygiene in our community and our lives. The program crafted to get the interest of young minds, use the technology that is available, and even imagine technology in the future as a critical lever, entailing the creation of mobile applications to tackle hygiene-related issues in our country. 10,000 plus students across the country actually shared ideas to use technology to make India healthier, more hygienic, on topics ranging from waste management, vaccination, menstruation, lots more. In a 6-month process vetted by EY, White Hat Junior shortlisted and mentored 200 students to help them build these projects. The top 50 students who you'll actually meet today will receive a 50,000 scholarship from Reckitt. Let's welcome the real heroes for today, the children, the educators, my educators for today. Welcome kids, welcome children, welcome my teachers, welcome my mentors for today. I'm going to congratulate all of you. What I'm really amazed is you're so young, all of you. You've all done such great, amazing work, and the scholarship of rupees 50,000 each from Reckitt is yours. I hope you use it well. Now, I've read a lot about all of you, and I'm delighted to meet all of you, but it's the ideas that I'm really here to discuss with each and every one of you. Let's get started now to actually find out from you, how can we get the health and hygiene of our country going better, the environment cleaner and safer. I'm just absolutely blown. My mind is blown to actually discuss all these ideas with you. So, hi everybody. How's everybody doing?
I'm fine. How are you?
The Elite 50, all of you, as I see all of you out here, it's just amazing. I mean, I see the amount of energy, I see the enthusiasm, and I hope, children across the world, across the nation, across the world, get to see your work, this inspirational work that you're all doing to make India healthy and absolutely happy as well. Now, coding is gaining prominence all across the world, and you're inspiring the world now by using it for such a noble cause. This is not just a game. It's not something that you're just doing for fun. This is great stuff. So we're going to make Bharat Swasth, and congratulations once again to all of you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw out just some quick questions just to know that you have a normal life also, children, the kind of life that you actually lead. So let me just find out. Maybe I'll just choose Hriday as the first one. So who's your favorite person on TV?
On TV, it's Amitabh Bachchan.
On TV, it's Amitabh Bachchan. And he's going to be part of this entire event that we are actually going to be doing. He's going to be hosting it. Okay, Adviti, you're up next. Now tell me, who's your favorite person in your family?
I think my sister.
Tell me why.
Yes, because I open up in front of her the most. I can share anything with her, and it's so easy to relate. It's
great to hear that you have a great bond with a sibling, with a sister, and fantastic stuff. Okay, so I think this is great. I'm getting to know all of you. I'm going to throw out a question now. For this one, you guys can all raise your hands, and I'm going to come to one of you. Okay, so are you ready? This is an important one. What's the one thing in the world you want to change right now? Show me your hands, and I'll choose one person. Okay, Ananya Tyagi, I'm going to give this one to you. What do you want to change in this world?
I want to increase the greenery.
You want to increase the greenery. Okay. So the greenery as in the trees and the plants and everything else. So you'd want an entire world that is green and beautiful, right?
Yes.
But yours is the generation that can actually do it. The generations before you, like us, and even the generations before, I think they got too much into the whole, commerce and money and business and everything else. And I think we've kind of destroyed the planet for you. But you are a generation that really gets how important the environment is. So we're going to leave this world to you, and you guys have got to make this super duper green. All right, everybody, thank you so much. All the kids, I'd love to interact with all of you. If you weren't in this entire COVID situation, we would all have been in a studio together, and I would have met up with all of you. And I think I would have set aside 2 or 3 hours more just to have a chat with each and every one of you. But great meeting you, all of you. Congratulations again. I hope to see all of you very soon. Bye.